Meta just gave AI power to write different versions of your ad copy, tailored to different personas inside your audience. No, it's not targeting, it's not segmentation, it's AI powered creative matching. This is part of a new wave of features Meta is rolling out, and if you run Advantage Plus or catalog ads, you need to know what's changing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for the latest Meta ads updates without the fluff. So Meta has been busy testing new formats, tweaking automation, and quietly removing older features. So if you run Facebook or Instagram ads, this video will help you stay ahead of the curve and protect your performance. Now let's dive into this week's biggest updates. Update number 1, which is AI now tailors ad copy to personas. Meta has just introduced brand new AI copywriting feature under Advantage Plus creative text generation called tailor variations to personas. And here is what it does. Meta uses AI to identify different personas within your target audience. Then it generates different variations of your primary text and headline for each of those personas. You can keep to choose AI generated text or replace it with your own copy. So the choice is still in your hands basically. Now, important thing to note over here is these personas don't affect ad delivery or targeting. They're just basically creative variations based on who Meta thinks is seeing your ad. This is currently available in English, Portuguese, and Spanish. So if you're running campaigns in English, Spanish, or Portuguese, I'm assuming you will be because if you're watching this video, then go ahead, definitely give it a shot. I think this is the first step towards creative targeting from Meta's side, like explicit. Now moving on to our update 2, which is product categories are being removed from catalog ads. What that means is, like, if you use product categories in your catalog ads, then heads up, starting July 2025, Meta will remove the ability to use product categories to organize your catalog items, which kind of is a big update, but I don't know, not a lot of people are talking about it. So you won't be able to, anymore use category specific ads for brands, themes, or types, and instead Meta will default to carousel format for catalog ads. If you're running seasonal collections or brand specific showcases, you will need to find new creative workarounds soon. Well, I have been able to find a creative workaround, but it's not that robust, so I'll talk about it later in one of my videos if I am able to find something which is really robust and gives us a better solution over here. Moving on to our update 3, which is engaged view attribution comes to app campaigns. So Meta's engaged view attribution window is now available for app promotion conversion campaigns. For Android, it's available only for reporting. This helps you better understand user intent when someone views but doesn't click your app ad and converts later. See, it's funny how Meta screws up your auto attribution and it claims that it is fixing it. It's a very small change but important if you are tracking conversions, or even if you believe that the attribution which Meta is showing you is even true. If you believe like Meta's attribution is correct, I have no words for you. Go for Tracosity or something that gives you first party data. Moving on to our update 4, which is budget sharing between ad sets, like 20%. Okay, Meta now lets you share up to 20% of your daily ad set budget across the other ad sets in the same campaign automatically, but only if it's likely to improve the performance. If Meta thinks like that, it's optional, but if your campaigns have 1 or 2 underperformers, this could help Meta optimize smarter across your ad sets. It hasn't rolled out to any of my accounts yet, so I am yet to see what impact it will have on the overall performance, but fingers crossed. Moving on to our update 5, which is site links as carousel cards. Meta now supports site links as carousel cards on both Facebook and Instagram, and here's how it works. If you upload a single image or video and add site links, Meta may convert those site links into carousel cards. Yep, they will do it. The main image becomes the first card, and each link gets its own thumbnail card. And here's a bonus tip, you can link to domains you don't own via site links. So your main ad can go to your landing page, but your site links can go to Amazon, YouTube, one of the advertorials, or any listing page. So this is how you don't have to use advertorials the way you can. Like, if you're smart, you know what I'm trying to say, right? Moving on to update 6, which is you can now edit fields via the ad copies API. So when duplicating ads using Meta ad copies API, you can now modify top level creative fields like title, URL, UTM tags, headline, and body text. Before this, those fields were logged and you couldn't change them. Now you can dynamically update them, especially useful for bulk testing or automated setups, right? Now if you want to become that top 1%, then I think you would be interested in this video where I talk about advertorials, and only top 1% of the Facebook ads marketers are using advertorials. So click on this video and watch what are advertorials and how you can exploit internet by using them. Exploit ads. Click and watch it.